Welcome back, guys. In this video today, we're going to cover the POS settings and custom options available inside the CronySoft POS system. These settings help managers control cashier functions, device setup, syncing, receipt tools, shift options, theme settings, and other POS features directly from the register screen. To access these options, click the Settings button from the main POS screen. Once the settings open, you will see multiple options available for your POS. Some options are used daily by cashiers and managers, while others are mainly used during setup, troubleshooting, or device configuration. Let's go through the main options one by one. The attendance. This option is used for employee clock in and clock outs from the POS. The logout option simply logs the current user out of the POS. The close shift option is used when the cashier or manager needs to close the current shift. The shift payout option, that's used when money is paid out from the register during a shift. The save drop option is used when cash is removed from the drawer and moved to the safe. The shift report lets you review shift totals such as sales, register activity, and cash tendered. The recall option is used to bring back held or saved sales if there are any available. The receipt preview and finder lets you view current receipts and search previous receipts when needed. The blind close option closes the shift without entering cash or accounting details. The day close option is used to close the business day on the POS. Next, we have printer settings. This is where you select the printer and enable or disable auto printing. The cash in option, this is used to add cash into the drawer during the shift. The void option allows you to void the full current transaction with one click. The theme option, this lets you customize your POS appearance. From here, you can switch to dark mode or apply a custom theme color that you'd like. The shift history option lets you review previous shift records. The sync option is used to sync POS data with the back office. Self-order option shows self-order activity if that feature is being used. The device setting, this option is used to configure connected payment devices such as PACs by entering the IP and port. The weight scale option is used to configure the connected scale type, port, and weight settings. The camera setting option is used when a camera is connected to the POS. You can enter the camera IP, camera number, and port. The manual sync option is important when changes are made in the back office, such as an item update, price changes, menu changes, or settings changes. No matter what the updates are, click the manual sync to pull the latest updates into the POS. The last transaction details, PACs. This option pulls up details for the most recent PACs transaction. The cash item option is used for cash-only item handling. The search item offline, this option allows you to search items while the POS is offline. The search item with cost online option, this allows you to search items with cost information when the POS is online. The second screen option, this lets you adjust the width and height for the customer display or the second screen. The lottery option, that is used for lottery related POS activity. The receipt finder online, this option lets you search receipts using different criteria such as date range, payment type, item name, item total, car's last 4 digits, employee, phone number, register ID, shift, coupons, or discount. The support ticket, this option allows you to create a support ticket directly from the POS by entering your phone number. The test meat label, that is used to test meat label scanning by scanning a 12-digit or 13-digit UPC for a meat item. The About software, this option shows the POS software version, build date, database version, memory usage, and storage information. And finally, the APG drawer settings. This is used for APG drawer configurations. If this is not enabled, The POS will show a message asking you to enable access from the back office under Register Settings and select APG USB drawer. And that's a quick overview of the POS setting and custom options inside CronySoft POS 2.0. These tools help managers control shift activity, sync updates, configure devices, search receipts, adjust themes, and manage important POS functions all from one place. And that's all for the POS settings and custom options. I'll catch you guys in our next video.